I asked Claude Opus 4.8 to help me build an online AI side hustle that could make $15,000, and it actually worked. And I'm gonna show you the exact process step by step so you can copy it yourself, even if you have zero experience and you're not tech savvy. I don't know how to code myself. My name's Fred, I run an AI-powered online course business, and my record is $5,000 cash collected in 48 hours. Not revenue, I'm talking cash hitting my bank account. Revenue was way more than that. So when I show you this process, I'm showing you something that actually works in the real world. It's not just a bunch of textbook theory. Here's the thing you need to understand before anything else. That $15,000 doesn't come from selling 100 different cheap products like most people try to do. It comes from selling one high-ticket online course that solves a real painful problem for a specific group of people. We price it $1,000 all the way to $10,000. It depends on what you sell. Let me give you an example of exactly how this works. Say you wanted to help busy executives lose weight, but not with the boring stuff. No long workouts they don't have time for, no tasteless diet plans they'll quit in a week. That's a painful problem. Executives are busy, they're stressed, and most weight loss advice online doesn't actually fit into their schedule. So what you do, you see that opportunity and you package a solution around that specific pain, a step-by-step program built for someone with no time, showing them how to lose weight without spending hours in the gym and without eating food that tastes like cardboard. Now, here's the math behind this that makes $15,000 realistic. If you price that offer at $2,500, you only need 6 people to buy it. Not 600, not 60, only 6. That's the difference between chasing $1,005 sales and building an AI-powered business that can actually change your life with just a handful of customers. Now, here's where Claude comes in, and this is the part most people get wrong. They think they need to already be an expert in whatever problem they're solving. You don't. You go to Claude, you tell it who you're trying to help and what painful problem you want to solve for them, and you ask it to research the best existing strategies and structure them into a clear step-by-step program. Claude pulls together what actually works, organizes it into modules, writes out the lessons, and helps you build the entire curriculum from nothing. Your job isn't to be the world's leading expert on executive weight loss. Your job is to make sure the information Claude gives you is accurate, put it into a clear structure, and package it as a product someone would actually pay $2,500 or more to get. You're not creating knowledge from scratch. Nobody really does. You're using Claude to organize existing knowledge into a valuable product and online course that a busy person is happy to pay real money for just so they don't have to figure it out themselves. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Why not just sell it cheap, like $10, and just sell it to way more people? Shouldn't that be easier? And I get why it sounds safer and easier on paper, but think about it from the buyer's side for a second. Someone who's paying you $2,500 to fix a painful problem is a completely different kind of customer than someone who's looking for a $5 template. The high-ticket clients are serious, motivated, and they're far more likely to actually put in the work and get results, which means you get better testimonials, better word of mouth, and a business that isn't dependent on getting massive amounts of traffic just to survive. And that's the hardest part of business, getting enough traffic in the first place. When you're selling low-ticket products, you need hundreds, even thousands of buyers to hit meaningful income. And that means, again, you need a huge amount of traffic, so a lot of money for ads or a gigantic audience, which guess what, 99% of beginners simply don't have. And even people who've been doing business for years, they don't have access to this. When you're selling high ticket, you need a handful of the right people to see your offer. And that's a completely different, much more achievable game, especially when you are a beginner and you don't have a big audience. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over $5,000 in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Once the course is built, you need a way to get it in front of the right people. And there's two paths that both work. The first is building a personal brand. You show your face, you post content around the problem you solve, you become the person people trust when it comes to that specific pain point. This can take more effort up front because you have to show up, record the videos, your throat kind of hurts when you do it, like I'm doing right now, but it compounds over time. Every piece of content builds more trust and brings in more of the right buyers. The second path is going faceless, using an AI avatar through a tool like HeyGen or a clone voice through a tool like 11 Labs. That way, you can produce all your content without ever showing your face. And even for a personal brand, you can use a twin of yourself or an AI voice clone of your own voice. All these paths, they work. They lead to the same place. Someone discovers your content, they recognize their own painful problem in what you're saying, they see how you can help, and then they buy or they book a call to learn more. And Claude is doing the heavy lifting behind almost all of it. The course content, the scripts for your videos, the emails, and the sales page, all built out using the exact same process. Tell Claude who you're helping and what problem you're solving, and let it build from there. Now, the executive weight loss example is just that, an example, to show you how the pieces fit together. The real exercise is figuring out what painful problem you could solve for a specific group of people. Think about problems that cost people real time, real stress, or real money. New parents who can't get their baby to sleep. Small business owners drowning in bookkeeping. People trying to lose weight on a deadline. Every one of those is a group of people actively looking for a solution and willing to pay for one that actually works. You don't need to have lived through it yourself. You don't need a certification. You need Claude to help you research the problem properly, structure a real solution, and package it in a way that feels worth paying for. So that's the whole process. You pick a painful problem for a specific group of people. You use Claude to research and to build the actual course content, price it high enough that a handful of buyers get you to serious income. You only need one client to replace how much you make with your job income, 1 or 2 clients, and get it in front of the right people, either with your own face, your own voice, or you use an AI avatar or AI voice. You don't need to be the expert. You don't need years of experience, and you don't need a big audience to start. You just need a real problem to solve, a clear solution, and Claude to help you build it out. That's exactly how you go from just having an idea to building a proper online business that can genuinely change your income and your life. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.